I'm going to make the steamed chicken with XO sauce. That is the XO sauce, the bottle look like that. And I have the 12-ounce chicken, 3 slices of ginger, and 2 ounces of black fungus. The package look like this. And they are dry. You need to soak in the water for about 20 minutes and they get soft. And about 1 whole chili red pepper, about ½ ounce, about ½ ounce of a green onion. And for the seasoning the chicken, I use a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of XO sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then I season the chicken first. Some pepper, sprinkle of white pepper in it. Then I mix. Then I start to put all the sauce in it. The XO sauce, the cooking oil, sugar, and soy sauce, and the cornstarch. Then I mix. Then I put all the ingredients in it. Okay, looks good. So I'm gonna put in the over high heat and steam for 12 minutes. The water already boiling, so I put it in there. And I'll be right back after 12 minutes. Okay, this is 12 minutes up, so I'm gonna remove it. Let me turn off the heat. Okay, that's I make today the steamed chicken with XO sauce.